Hey y'all, it's Maddie Green. Welcome back to my channel, and here is a day in my life. So I ran a full marathon, 26.2 miles 2 days ago, and it hurts to walk. I'm wobbling, and I decided to go get some coffee. So I went to Summer Moon because it's my favorite. I always get a quarter Winter Moon. So happy. I also decided to treat myself because I could not be bothered to cook right now. Everything hurts from the marathon. Let me know if you've ever ran one before. It was very fun, but I could not be bothered to cook right now. So I got a little taco deli taco to hold me over until I end up cooking later. So let's get on with the day. Let's go home. So when I say I'm wobbling from running a marathon, this is what I mean. Everything hurts. I think I actually hurt my ankle a little bit, so let's ice it. My friend recommended that I try this. It's like a gel pack, which you can ice or heat, and then it compresses your ankle. So we're gonna work on that. First impressions are, wow, this is cold, but maybe it'll help because I need some relief. Now, my business is known for the Love Yourself collection. I have a bunch of different colors of embroidered apparel with Love Yourself on it. This is my newest one, and I dropped it on Valentine's Day last week. So what I'm doing now is I am private labeling them with my own tag. And then once we do all of that, we are going to ship out all the orders we have and go live for it. So let's do it together. Welcome to my small business office space at the moment. It is kind of this cute little box here that always has something in the way because I am not the best at cleaning up as I go. So today will consist of tagging apparel and cleaning up my office space so I can go live. We will also be making a post office stop since they were closed yesterday for President's Day. Here are some of the colors of the Love Yourself that I was talking about earlier. If you like one, you can use code YouTube for 10% off. How gorgeous. Extra small through 5XL. First things first, we need to clean this up so that way I can start tagging things. These are some of my tags. It says Shop Maddie Green, Dream Big, Live Bigger. That's kind of my phrase that I go with for my shop. I also have these little guys for other projects. But basically what I'm doing with these is I will take the woven label, add the little size tag to it, and then sew it on to the apparel. Normally I'll just have my supplier do that, but I kind of wanted to tackle this fun project myself this time, and they came out so good and they just look so professional and unique, and I just love being a shop owner. It's so fun to have my own brand on everything, and I have cute stuff to wear all the time. This is probably my favorite hoodie of all time, the gray on gray. I'm calling it the Cloud Gentle Gray. Also, let me know if you guys have any tips for sewing machines. I am a total noob, but sometimes my thread will just break when I'm in the middle of sewing something, and it's so frustrating. So let me know if you have any tips. But let's go ahead and sew some items. So first things first, I get the hoodie all set up underneath the center of the needle. And then I place my tag where I would like it, get it into position. Once it's where I like it, that's where I will line up the little size tag. And I'll put it right behind here and sew it on. So yeah, I'll put it right behind here. Sew 2 little lines on the end and make it pretty. Other forms of tagging I use are the cute little pad printed tags, but there's something so special about a sewn in tag. So right now what I'm doing is getting everything ready for the post office here. And then I got a restock of some candles. So I'm just putting them away. The ones I just restocked are Stress Relief Soothing Peppermint. Literally smells so good. And I actually found some cookie butter, so I'll add those to inventory. And we'll add these here. So I got everything to head over to the post office, taking this bag all the way there, and then they'll scan them in and I'll get a receipt. I got the pups leashed up because we'll stop at the dog park on the way back from the post office. Let's go. Heading in. All done. I got to see my favorite fish people. It's so crazy. So after the marathon, all I've been craving is fast food. And Taco Cabana slapped today. I got a quesadilla, nachos, and a little bit of extra guacamole. And I'm so happy about it. Best part of the day, we're going to the dog park. Are you ready to play? You ready? Okay. Just finished organizing all the shelves and now unboxing some more inventory to take it out to recycle because our trash and recycle comes tomorrow. Done organizing, packaged a few orders, and gonna have some dinner now. Thank you so much for joining me on a day in my life.